Next example, if 1 is added to the denominator of a fraction, its value becomes 1 by 2. If 1 is added to the numerator, it becomes 1. The sum of the numerator and denominator of the fraction is. An interesting question. Here, first I'm considering the fraction as x over y. In the first part, it is given that on adding 1 to the denominator of this fraction, the fraction value becomes 1 by 2. So that I'm taking x over y plus 1 value is equal to 1 by 2 as our first expression. In the second part, it is given that if 1 is added to the numerator, then the fraction value becomes 1. So I'm taking x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 as my second expression. Next, by taking the help of these two expressions, we can find out the values of x and y. Here, on rearranging expression 1, it gives 2x is equal to y plus 1. Take this as expression 3. Similarly, expression 2 can be written as y is equal to x plus 1. Take this as expression 4. Here I am writing expression 3 as 2x minus y is equal to 1, and expression 4 can be written as minus x plus y is equal to 1. On adding these two expressions, y will be cancelled out and 2x minus x value is equal to 2. Now from expression 4, the value of y is equal to x value plus 1, which is equal to 3. So the desired fraction x over y is equal to 2 by 3, and here we need the sum of numerator and denominator values, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next example, a mason can build a wall in 70 hours. He took a break after 7 hours. What fraction of the wall is yet to be built? First, consider this 70 hours as 1. Usually, to write the fraction values, it is a common practice to take the work, the total work or the total time required to complete the work as 1. So here I am taking 70 hours as 1. Then he finished 7 hours of work. So how much fraction of work is finished? Let us take that as x. So in this value 1, x part is finished or x fraction is finished. So again, by using the cross multiplication method, we can write 70 multiplied with x is equal to 7 multiplied with 1. So that the value of x is equal to 7 over 70, which is equal to 1 by 10. What is this x? We know it is the fraction of the completed work. So among this 1/10 part is finished. So what is the remaining work? So that remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 9 by 10. Which is nothing but 0.9. So 0.9 fraction of the wall is yet to be built, which is given in option A. Next example, if 1 divided by 3.197 is equal to 0.3127, find the value of 1 divided by 31.27. Here, consider 1 divided by 3.197 is equal to 0.3127, from which we can write 1 divided by 0.3127 is equal to 3.197, right? You just observe this value. This is obtained by multiplying this denominator value with 100. If I am multiplying 0.3127 with 100, then it gives 31.27. So let us consider this fraction and multiply the numerator as well as the denominator with 100. So this is equal to 100 divided by 31.27. As I mentioned earlier, if a fraction value numerator and denominator is multiplied with same value, then its value will not be changed. So this is equal to 3.197. So if I want 1 over 31.27, that would be equal to 3.197 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.03197. Next example, 1 divided by 0.04 is equal to. A very simple question. Let us take 1 divided by 0.04 and multiply its numerator and denominator with 100. That is equal to 100 divided by 0.04 multiplied with 100. That's value is 4. So this is equal to 25.